Hey Wolfpack! Today we're going to show you how to exclude a grade in your MyPack portal. Start by logging into your MyPack portal and go to the student homepage. Click on Academic Records. Then, click on the Grade Exclusion tab on the left side. Information about grade exclusion will appear and give you things to consider before excluding a grade from your GPA. Look them over before you decide to do a grade exclusion. If you are receiving financial aid, contact those offices before you do a grade exclusion because it may affect your funding. At the bottom of the window, you can see a list of past grades that you've excluded from your GPA. You will also see the grades that are eligible for exclusion. Select the grades you'd like to exclude and click OK. Make sure to click Save to ensure the transaction, and a window will appear to notify you that your request has been received. You will receive an email confirmation when your exclusion has been processed. We hope this tutorial helped you learn how to grade exclude a course. If you have any questions, please visit the Student Services Center website for more information. Thanks for watching.